In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a database on Namecheap shared hosting using phpMyAdmin step by step. This is a really useful process if you've moved a website, restored a backup, or you just need to upload an existing SQL file into a fresh database on your hosting account. I'll walk you through the whole process from logging into Namecheap, creating the database and user, importing the backup, and then confirming that everything worked properly. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple hosting and website tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log in to your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to your hosting list. From there, find the hosting plan you want to work with and click Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for your shared hosting account. Inside cPanel, look for the Databases section. You'll want to click Manage My Databases. This is where you can create your database, create a database user, and connect everything together before you import your backup. Start by creating a new database. Enter a database name that makes sense for your website or project, then click Create Database. After that, you need to create a database user. Enter a username and choose a strong password. It's important to save this password somewhere safe because you'll need it if you ever reconnect or troubleshoot your site later. Once the user is created, the next step is to add that user to the database. Select the user and the database from the options on screen, then assign all privileges. This gives the user full access to read, write, and modify the database, which is usually required for a website to function correctly. After that, go back to cPanel and head once again to Databases, then click phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin is the tool we'll use to import the skill backup file into the database you just created. When phpMyAdmin opens, you'll see a list of databases on the left-hand side. Click the database you created a moment ago so phpMyAdmin knows exactly where to import the file. Once the database is selected, look at the top menu and click Import. This is where the upload process begins. On the import screen, click Browse and choose your .sql database backup file from your computer. Make sure you select the correct backup file, especially if you have multiple exports saved. After choosing the file, leave the format set to skill. That is usually the correct format for standard database backups and exports. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Import or Go, depending on what your screen shows. phpMyAdmin will now start uploading and processing the file. Depending on the size of your database, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. While it's running, just wait and avoid refreshing the page unless it seems frozen for a long time. Once the process finishes successfully, phpMyAdmin should display a success message confirming that the database was imported. That message is your sign that the skill file has been loaded into the database correctly. From there, your website or application can connect to the database using the database name, username, and password you created earlier. And that's it, you've now imported a database on Namecheap shared hosting using phpMyAdmin. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more hosting tutorials, WordPress guides, or database tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.